Hello and welcome back. My name is Katinka. I live at the south point of Africa, and on this channel I make things and I talk about stuff, and sometimes I just show you my cats. But today I'm going to show you how I made that bench and that ladder with the help of a friend. Let me go and show you. Okay, so I'm going to get my wood and put that in the car. It's quite heavy. I'll have to do a few trips. And I'm on my way to my friend, and he's going to help me. Oh my goodness, carrying wood and a phone. It's not such a good idea, but anyway, my friend's going to help me to cut it up and to most likely put it together because he's got the tools. A little bit.
Makes a difference for what it's worth.
So you don't have to worry about them rusting.
Yeah.
This is so cool. In the end, I had 3 posts. There used to be a fence in a friend's garden, and they looked terrible. But after we cut them in half and put them through the sander or on the sander, they came out like this. And I cut up 2 to make this top and the sides for the step ladder. And the third one I cut in half, and it gave me the legs for this bench. The step ladder we made by just screwing in the slats on the side, and I still want to put some antique wax to make them dark, the same color as that. Can you believe that fence came out like this after we sanded it? And then for the little bench, I had to cut out a little notch, or not me, my friend did, because there's a plug, and that's part of the reason why I wanted this bench here, because I could never put this couch against the wall. But with this little bench, the couch can go as far as possible without being skew. And now I have place for my coffee. And there you have it. I want to thank you, Cyril, for helping me with making this bench and let's turn you slowly, and the step ladder. I really appreciate it. Wait. My sister said I'm not allowed to wear this. She says I look like a grasshopper. So anyway, thanks for spending time with me and for coming along on all my different adventures. I hope to see you in the next video. If you liked it, subscribe and please give it a thumbs up. I'll speak to you in the next video. Goodbye.